Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to cash out and withdraw from crypto.com to your bank account. For that, first of all, you need to launch your crypto.com mobile application and then log in into your account. Then you need to go to the accounts tab at the bottom. Over here, you need to tap on the crypto wallet option and choose the cryptocurrency that you want to convert to cash like Kronos, Solana, USDT, Bitcoin or Ethereum. You need to tap on the sell option over here and you need to then choose the fiat wallet as the destination. First of all, you need to enter the amount and confirm the transaction. This step is going to basically convert your cryptos into your local currency such as USD, EUR or INR. After that, you will be able to send it to your fiat wallet inside the application. Now, once the funds are in your fiat wallet in the form of the fiat currency, you need to go back to the accounts tab and then tap on the fiat wallet. Then you will be again landed on this page where you will see the amount in USD, EUR or the currency that you have selected on this page. Over here, tap on the transfer option in the top right hand corner of the screen and select the withdraw option. Now, once you select the withdraw option, this time you will see the bank account option. If you haven't added a bank account yet, you will have to tap on the add bank account option and then follow further on screen instructions in order to link it. After linking it, you need to enter the amount that you want to withdraw and confirm crypto.com supports ACH transfers for US users and SCPA and SWIFT for international users. Now, withdrawals usually take 1 to 5 business days depending on your bank and the location. Make sure that your identity is fully verified in the application because without KYC verification, you won't be able to withdraw to the bank account. Also, you need to note that you may need to sell your crypto in stages if you are cashing out a large amount, as withdrawal limits can apply. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Share it with someone who needs it. I will see you in the next one.